Welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 2 of my Lego pickup truck build. This is where we left off last time. Now let's get started on bag 3. Okay, we have the bags here. Get them opened. Okay. We got a steering wheel, some more little bags, some little bags in here. Okay, and the last little bag to get open here. Okay, let's get that over here. More Technic pins. Of various kinds here. Okay. Now bag 3, what are we starting with? Looks like we got some sort of man, that looks like a suspension that we gotta build here. Okay, this one, orange pin. Okay, it doesn't go all the way through though. You're supposed to just put it in, and then you're supposed to get 2 of these. Put them in there. And slide the orange pin through. All the way through. Okay, there we go. And now I do the same thing with the other one. Put it on the other side and slide the orange pin all the way through. That's what we have to do. Okay. Okay. No, I didn't do that right. wrong hole there. Supposed to be in the second one. Okay. There we go. Now 2 blue pins go into there. We have these red pieces. They need to go in here. And I need these black pins to go, hold those in. There we go. That's one. I'll hold in the other side. Come on. Okay, there we go. There we go. Seems okay. Now, I'm supposed to take this yellow one, put some ball joints in there. Hooking these arms up. These 1x3 pieces. I guess they just go in that way. Okay, so that's supposed to go like that. Oh, wait. Did I put those on upside down? I put them on upside down. Okay. Now can I even get those out? And can I put them on upside down? There we go. That's one. There we go. And get the other one out. Okay, didn't notice that. Okay, so now that's how these ball joints are supposed to go into there. Like that. Okay. And now there are two more of these. And do the same thing. Okay, now they go upside down, or the other way around. Same thing. Gotta get these orange pieces, put them in here, put these two in between, pop that orange one through. Okay, get the other side on. The orange piece through. Okay. There we go. Now it's blue pins. Come on. There's one. The other one. Okay. You don't want it to move. Now this. You put a couple of these pins in there. And then that goes on top. Hooks into these, to the ball joints. And then we take some these little black pins and put them in to hold it into this red. A lot of technique on this one so far. Okay, there we go. That looks like that's the front steering apparatus then. And now I have this red axle and this white holder thing and a black axle to put in. And it looks like it's supposed to be the same height, what they're supposed to do there. Just stop for a second. Okay, and now we got to get this piece, put it through these two, and then there's supposed to be another white piece put on the other side to hold it together. Now can that hold that? And there we go. See that? Okay. And that operation goes over here. Now how does it go over here? It's gonna snap into these right in the middle. It's like right in the middle. Okay, the black pins go in those bottom holes, and then the blue ones go in the top. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, a gear is going in here. Move this end. Oh, I'm supposed to push the red. I'm supposed to push the red one through, I think. So, Okay, it says put that there. Okay. And then if I should maybe put it this way. Okay. Oh. Okay, it does show it. It does go through here. Okay. We gotta push this red through here. Come on. It goes through there. Through the gear. Make sure the gear is the right way. There we go. All the way through. Now the gear is controlling that. Okay. Now I've got a little. And these two pieces. Put white one there. Black pin here. Put them together. And a little black gear goes on there. And that goes on top of the gray gear. Okay. And next, it's another gear. Okay, we need this. There is a gray axle somewhere. There it is. And you have to put on the little black gear and then the bigger gray gear. Okay, that goes over here. Okay, we got that there. Now it's these two yellow axles, and we have the there's a little rubber piece there. Where is it? This one goes like this, and then I have one of these gray spacer thingies. I need to do this twice. Where's the other black one? Okay, that's the two of those, and they go in. They go into these two holes here. Okay. Now we have two plates. Go on top. And slot bricks. Okay, this is supposed to go on. Okay, that's that. And that goes there. And now we have two of the 1x3 beams. And they are supposed to stick up like that. Now we got a little contraption to make here with these pieces. That's supposed to go there. A black pin to hold it together. Okay. And then a black or it was a black axle and now a black pin. Is this supposed to be black or is this, oh, it's supposed to be one of these. Okay. And then this goes here. Oh, it just sits right there. And do the same thing for the other side. There we go. Those are together. This with 2 plates. And that sits like that right there. Okay, now we got another contraption to make with these, like this. Look at that, we got that joint, articulating joint. And I need this gear, this gear I think. There we go. Then a long blue pin. Color, or I guess that's a 1x1 beam. Okay, now 2 of these to go in to that. Okay. That is gonna be okay. Now we gotta get these in here. Need another one of those. Put the pins in. The axle pins, I guess. They're half axle, half pin. And then 1x3 goes on top. Holds up. And that goes like this. Okay, and now that's turning that. Oh wait, just make sure no other pieces there. Okay, got some little weird pieces here to make. That thing. Okay, and then a circular tile on top. This pin stud thing. And that goes on the end. Okay, I'll make sure. Okay. And there's a long blue pin that needs to go in somewhere. What's going in here? Needs to go in here. I think. That's showing. Not quite sure. Okay, I think that's correct. And now we have to put this one on here to hold the axles. So that's holding the axles in place. And now we have some snot bricks to stack up. Okay, and they go on each side here. And what do we got next? our pins here. We have this long blue pin, black pin, 1x3, tan pin axle, and that goes into here. And what is it supposed to do? I don't know what it's supposed to do. What is it supposed to do? We'll see, I guess. Showing go this way? I don't know. I'll put the other one together and see what happens. Short one. And that one. And this one goes over here. And then that goes over here. And that's supposed to like be, I don't know if that's supposed to just be even and then hook it up or something. Oh, that's supposed to, oh, that's what they mean. That's going to go in there. And then we put a black axle in to hook them up. To get it in place. Black axle on the other side. And then I have this brown axle that's supposed to go on top. Doesn't hold anything in place though. Oh, I think, is it supposed to go all the way into the bottom one? Yep. Okay. So that's supposed to hold all the way in there. Why did we do this one after the steering wheel? Okay, there, that's all the way down. Collar, a little rubber piece. Oh, there's two of them. And what do they go on? It goes on top of that. I guess, I think. Okay, that's gonna get locked in, I hope. This model features working steering, opening doors, and opening hood to reveal engine. Okay. So I have steering wheel and there we go. Now I have there's something else to make here. What's this? Gray plates. These go on the bottom. Flip it over. Put these things on. And some of these. Okay. Now I have two of these to hook together, I guess. Technic pins, hook the two of them together. Oh, where does the ball joint go? It goes in the middle. Ball joint goes in the middle. Oopsie, wrong side. Put that on the other side. And then hook these two pieces together. And put that on top there. Now this plate goes here. We put a bunch of these snot bricks in. 4. Okay. Now I have plates to go on the side. Some tile to go on the top. A brick to put here. A plate to put here. Okay. And then a bunch of these modified 5 of these modified plates to put on here. And this gray one to hold it all together. Upside down. Ball joint side is supposed to be those. Okay, and then the upside down invert curved plates or tiles. Back the other way. Put a couple of square plates on top of here. Got some grills. This thing. Now these slopes. The 1x1 plates. And we got some snot bricks to put in on the sides here. I want to put a couple of things together. It is a, you're putting 2 1x1 plates on a stack and then a tile on the top. And that goes here. I'm gonna do that on the other side too. And that goes like that. Now we have these tiles, or these slopes to put in right there. And did I do it? Oh, I'm supposed to do it that way. Or no, that's right. They go facing the inside. They go facing the inside, not the outside. Okay, there we go. And what else is next here? Well, that goes in front. Why is there a ball joint there? That goes in front, and there's a ball joint there. Why? Oh, is it just? Why is there a ball joint there? I don't understand. I don't understand. Is it just to? Here's just to keep the axle from popping out, or just a helper? Okay, maybe. I don't. Not sure, but that's there. Okay, now we gotta put something else together here. And that, we have a grill. Turn it upside down. Put this long plate on. Okay, and then turn it back. 1x4. Then, or yeah, 2x4, and then the 1x4 tile and the slope. And then that. Supposed to go here? Okay, yeah, it does just go right in there. Same thing, other side. Got a grill. Plate. 4, turn it upside down, put that on. I don't know why you put the G slope on last, but whatever. And then that goes there. Okay, now we have a couple of these corner tiles that hold that together. And we have some squares, square bricks to hold the other stuff together. Okay. Oop, one of these. Uh-oh, this is supposed to go here. Did I miss that? Oops. Oh, I did miss that. That goes there. Then this goes here. That little tile. Take this, put a couple of these on the top. And that is supposed to go here. Two of these, hold that down. Another one of these to goes around here. Okay. Now it's bag 4. Okay. Well, that's the end of part 2. So that's the end of part 2 of my Lego pickup truck build. And this is where we're at now. Got the steering wheel in and it hooked up to the steering there. Got a pretty sensible gear ratio. It does turn a lot for turning the wheel. So if you'd like to see the next part, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.